How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another vlog episode here on my channel. The cargo's loaded, the weather looks great, and my excitement factor is a big 10. So let's get out there, let's roll that intro. Well, here we are at the field. I've stopped off and picked up some coffee on the way. Absolutely perfect for getting those fast-acting nerve endings fired up for some great flying. On the way, I always take a bit of time to reflect about the moves that I'm going to practice for the day and what kind of flying is going to go down. And with great weather forecast for the day, I'm sure we're going to get an absolutely fantastic turnout of pilots and a lot of great RC helis to see. Before we jump into the main feature, make sure you leave me some comments below and press that like button if you're liking what you see, and subscribe if you like this channel. Alright, enough of me talking, let's jump straight into the feature and get this vlog going. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I absolutely loved making it, and I'm looking forward to making the next one very shortly. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe, and that way you'll be in touch with all the latest video uploads. Until next time.